Hello children. Today in this video, I'll continue chapter number 11, light, shadow and reflection. So already we have discussed about light and shadow. So today we'll start with the concept of mirror and reflection. So children, I think you all have seen the mirrors at your home. Now what happens? We see our face inside the mirror. So what does it shows? That is known as a reflection. It means we see our face in the mirror. So that is due to the reflection. So first of all, we'll study about the reflection. When we look into the mirror or in the clear water, we see our own image. This image is called a reflection. So this is the simplest definition of reflection. We also see the reflection of other objects in the mirror. So means when we see ourselves in the mirror or in the clear water, you must have seen the reflection of your own. That is known as reflection. And children, before starting with the concept of reflection, I would like to tell you the main property of light. This is very interesting property of light, that light, how it travels. So this is an activity. You can do this activity at your home and you can make the model of it also. What you have to do in this activity, that light travels in a straight line. This activity is given in your book also, and this is a simple activity that you can do at your own. This is the image. I can tell you how light travels. So in this diagram, what you have done, this is a comb. On the one side you have fixed it, and on the opposite to it, in the slightly, it is not directly, it is opposite slight, it is bent. This is a mirror. We have kept a mirror here. So now what a person is doing, he is putting a light of torch on this mirror. Now what happens? The mirror is giving the reflection of this comb in this way. So you are able to see the pattern. Okay, the comb is there. So the reflection of comb can be seen in the mirror, and mirror is giving its reflection. So this concept or this activity shows that light travel in a straight line and it gets reflected from a mirror. I hope this is clear and you can do this activity. And regarding this concept that light travels in a straight line, so many activities are there. Okay, so we will discuss activities related to it later on. Before that, you should know that light travels always in a straight line. After that, let's discuss the concept of mirror. Actually, what a mirror is. A mirror is a flat piece of glass which reflects light. It's a flat piece of glass only which reflects light, so that when you look at it, you can see yourself reflected in it. But minded children, you must have seen the mirror, but we can't see the back side of the mirror. So sometime the children get confused that light passes through the mirror. No, light does not pass through the mirror. Light get reflected. Reflect means when the light strike on the mirror, it comes back to you again. Only then we can see our image or our reflection. So means light जो है that don't totally don't pass through the mirror. It just reflected back. Because you have seen the back side of the mirror, it's painted. Either it is painted with the black color or with the red color or gray color, any of the color it can be. The color, the back side of the mirror is painted, so the light can't pass through it. Lights only gets reflected by it. So you know that We can see our reflection in the mirror only. So children, one more activity is there that can show, uh, this is activity 11.8 in your book. I will show you this activity. This is an activity, how the mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. So many of the time you have done this activity with your friends even. So here we three friends are standing in such a way, then one of the girl is having the mirror in her hand, and one of the child is putting the reflection, that is a light of torch on the mirror. And what does the mirror do? Mirror just reflect the light on the another person. It is throwing the light on the another person. So what happens if she keep on changing the direction of the mirror? The direction of the light also changes. So here is an activity that shows that light travel into the straight line and it gets reflected from a mirror itself. So these are the two activities that we have discussed. From these activities, it is very, very clear that light travel in a straight line, and with the help of a mirror, it is get reflected. See how the person is throwing a light on the mirror, and from the mirror, the light gets reflected and falls on the another person. So this is a concept of mirrors and reflection. I hope children you can do many of the activities related with the concept of mirror and light. So in the next video we'll discuss about the next of the part, different activities related with the light, that how light travels in the straight line. So till here you just revise the concept of mirrors and light. Thank you.